What up, what up? It's your boy Striker back with another video. It's snowy out here. Ugh. Getting at least, I don't know, 3 to 6 inches I would say today. Out here in the Toyota Sienna again. The flakes are flying. The girls are in the back, pouting. Look at your face. Got some used all-terrain tires on this Toyota Sienna, and it's not bad in this weather. Got about 1 inch on the ground right now. The mean streets of St. Paul, Minnesota. Yep, we're out here driving around, getting some stuff from storage, making it happen. Oh man. Yeah, the driving's not too bad, I gotta say. These tires are okay. It's just really slushy more than snow right now. That's how it starts out. It starts out wet and slushy. Then it gets thick. And of course we're in a bad part of town, so the streets get really bad. Boom. Jeez. Holy crap. Yeah, it's pretty rocky over here. But yeah, this is doing. Whoa, 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 whoa. No grip. No grip. You know, the front wheel drive cars are okay, but in the snow, you gotta have an SUV or a truck. If you live in Minnesota, I shouldn't even have to tell you. If you live in any snow states, I shouldn't even have to tell you, but in case you live in California and you're just watching this video, you do not have an SUV or a truck in this state, I do not know what you are doing with your life. To each their own. All-wheel drive is decent for cars, but you want that extra weight of a truck or an SUV to make you feel planted, secure. Secure. That's all you need is some security. Man, these snowflakes are huge too. You can see them coming at you. I'd rather be in the diesel truck to come, or at least even the Tahoe, but Tahoe's got a headlight out and we cannot fix it because we don't have any tools. Super sweet.
We do, but they're in storage.
Well, yeah, they're in storage.
Not that we don't have them at all.
Yeah, not that. Yeah, it sucks, you know. I couldn't even get to it. I just went to the storage, tried to get to my tools, and of course, they're all locked up, and you can't even unlock the toolbox unless you go from the top, and there's 5 things on top of my toolbox sitting, so I couldn't even unlock it. It's just a catch-22, you know. I think I'm gonna load up the Tahoe anyways with the trailer and just make a trip anyways. Call it a day. I mean, gotta do something. Can't just leave it there. I love pulling that trailer, but man, so many issues with that trailer. It says it's a 2-inch ball. Put the 2-inch ball on there, hooked it up, and it fell off the ball hitch twice. Then I tried the 1 7/8, and it's moving all around in there like it's loose and not fitting correctly. I don't pretty much think there's anything between 1 7/8 and 2 inches. If there is, let me know. I'm pretty sure there isn't. Woo! Sliding. A lot of loose snow up here. crackers. We're gonna go look at that diesel truck today, or are we gonna wait?
Whatever you want to do.
Whatever I want to do. That's what I like to hear. Yes, that's rare, but I'll take it. The wife says anything you want to do, you spend money.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's getting thick over here where it hasn't been touched. We're in some business back streets. I gotta say, this Toyota Sienna, it's okay. It's nothing special though. Especially for the handling. I'm doing a lot of sliding and slipping. Even if I had some snow tires on here, I mean, how good can it really get? Like dedicated, brand new, all around snow tires, the best in existence even. You know, you still got front wheel drive. Can't change that. Still got some crazy thick snow out here. Should go whip some donuts, but I don't know if the Toyota does it. Maybe I'd have to go backwards. Whip some reverse donuts in the front wheel drive car. That would be pretty funny, actually. Oh man, this stuff is thick. Yeah, not much control over here at all. Yeah, I gotta say, if I'm really giving my honest opinion, I would just try to travel in SUVs. Actually, I'm not sure how the new Toyota Sienna stacks up, so don't quote me on the new ones, but what year is this one?
07, I think.
Yeah, 07s. Not much traction. Now we're in an empty parking lot, has not been
Plowed.
plowed at all. About an inch on the ground. And you can't even, yeah, the thing doesn't even want to turn at all. It's just, wow, doesn't feel good at all. Yeah, what can I say? If you want that nice, secure front end feeling that you, everything's gonna be okay, you, just, go with an SUV, go with a truck, you know, it's not that big of a deal. But until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.